In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file for free with TurboTax using the free edition. The key to filing for free directly through TurboTax is qualifying for their free edition. This option is built for taxpayers with what TurboTax calls a simple return, and that definition matters. A simple return generally means your tax situation is straightforward enough to be covered by the most basic forms and features. Think of standard wage income reported on a W-2, taking the standard deduction instead of itemizing, and limited interest income. If you stay within that scope, the free edition is designed to guide you from start to finish without a fee. Here's the most important idea. Your eligibility is based on the forms and situations your return includes. If your taxes involve things like itemized deductions, self-employment or freelance income, rental properties, complex investments, certain education credits, or health savings account deductions, you may be nudged into a paid tier. TurboTax does this automatically as you answer questions, so pay attention to the messages that say a particular form or scenario isn't supported in the free edition. That's your cue that you may no longer qualify for filing completely free using this path. Before you begin, it's smart to review TurboTax's current list of what the free edition includes. The lineup can change from year to year, and eligibility rules are updated each tax season. Look for a summary on their site that spells out which forms and credits are covered. If your situation matches that list, you're in good shape to file at no cost with the free edition. As you work through the interview, keep an eye on any upgrade prompts. They're triggered by specific choices or entries that go beyond a simple return. If you see one, take a moment to consider whether that entry is essential or if there's a simpler, accurate way your return can be filed without it. Only proceed with features you genuinely need. One more note about pricing. While the free edition is intended to let you file a straightforward federal return at no charge, state filing policies can vary. Sometimes state filing is included, other times there may be a fee. Always check the current terms on the pricing page so there are no surprises. To recap, the primary way to file for free with TurboTax is to make sure your return stays within the boundaries of their free edition. Confirm what counts as simple this season, watch for upgrade prompts, and verify the federal and state details before you finish. That way you can confidently file for free when you qualify.